In this video, we are going to show you how to sell books on your Shopify website using Lulu and how to install it. So how do we do this? Of course, you need to be logged in. Once you're logged in, we want to click on apps here like so, and this pop-up will appear. We need to search for Lulu, right? So this is Lulu Direct. So click on Lulu Direct. And of course, a new tab will appear just like any other app that we are going to install. Click on install. Just follow the visual prompts. There we go. Install again. And here, kind of post strike, cut that out. And as you can see, we are already connected to our Lulu account. And yeah, so this is how you set up Lulu with Shopify, and you can now start just selling books via Lulu with your Shopify account, your Shopify store, because now they're connected. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.